Hello everyone, I'm Ritvi Jain and welcome to La Jain Cuisine.
Chocolate chip and photo pull cake. Here I have taken 5 photos. You can take as many photos as you like, and we'll be sticking a straw or a sketch pen which has both ends open using a sellotape. We will roll the photos and make a photo reel. I'm passing a skewer within the photos, and I've also made a box, a cardboard box, and pierced holes on both the sides. And now I'm assembling the photo reel. Isn't it looking amazing? Now we'll prepare the cake batter. For that I have taken 2 cups wheat flour atta, half cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. We'll sift all the dry ingredients well. For the wet ingredients, we will take 1 cup powdered sugar and sift it. Then add 1 cup curd, yogurt, 1/4 cup refined oil, and we'll mix all the wet ingredients well. Also add 1 teaspoon of chocolate or vanilla essence. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. Mix it well. Add the another batch of dry ingredients. Also add 3/4 cup of milk. Add it gradually and make a medium consistency batter. Also add 2 teaspoons vinegar. This will ensure that the cake becomes very spongy. Now I have taken 7-inch cake tin, 2 7-inch cake tin, and I am greasing it with oil and placing the butter paper. We'll fill both the cake tins and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Kadai instructions are given in the description box below. The cake is ready. Now we'll prepare the chocolate ganache. I have taken half cup cream and half cup chocolate. The ratio is 1:1. Mix everything well and our chocolate ganache will be ready. Now melt some few chocolate chunks and take a greased tray. Pour the melted chocolate into it and spread it uniformly. Sprinkle some colorful sprinkles or chopped dry fruits and keep it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now take 2 cups whipping cream and whip it till stiff peaks. Add 4 to 5 spoons of chocolate ganache. You can add more or less as per your taste. And mix it well. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Divide both the cakes into 2 layers using a knife. The first layer, add the soaking syrup. It is normally 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Apply a layer of cream and spread it uniformly, and a layer of chocolate ganache. Some chocolate chips, as it's a choco chip cake. The second layer, repeat the same process. Now, after placing the third layer, we'll put on the photo reel. So make a cavity inside the cake and place on the cardboard box. Take a skewer and assemble it the way shown, and just push the cardboard box down. Now decorate the third layer as well. I have also attached a happy birthday tag to the photos so that it's easier to pull the photo reel out. Decorate completely with the cream. Cover it completely. Now keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes and then we'll resume the decoration. After 15 minutes, we'll again cover it with cream wherever the cake is visible and smoothen it out with a palette knife or a scraper. Apply some chocolate chips at the bottom using a spoon. Now we'll create the drip effect. I'm using a spoon to do so. Also pour the chocolate ganache on the top of the cake. Even it out, and now we'll decorate the cake using a piping bag and a star nozzle. You can make any design of your choice. Now we'll garnish the cake using chocolate garnish we had prepared earlier. I've just broken into random pieces and then I am putting it on the cake. Keep it in the refrigerator and our cake is ready. Isn't it looking yummy? Just look at the photo pull. Isn't it amazing? And the person you're gifting this cake will be just astonished.
If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Till then, bye!